So I was wondering, is it possible to create my own character styles if I don't like the ones Microsoft is giving me?
Absolutely. Let me show you how. We have some information that we formatted previously. We have a double underline under 300 hours of sweat equity. And what I would like to do is create a character style just for this. So a character style gives me styles that are just for text. It's not a paragraph style. So I have the item highlighted. I think what I'm going to do is actually add an italics to it too. And then I'm going to come up to my style gallery. So I'm going to click on the drop down here and choose create a style. Now this pops up and I want to give my style a name. So I'm going to call it marketing points. All right, so I want this just to be a character format. So I'm going to click on modify. And up here I have my name. And notice the style type. It says linked paragraph and character. I'm going to click on the drop down here and just say character. So this is just formatting for characters. And I can make whatever changes I wanted to in here or leave it just as it is because I've already created the formatting on the outside of this dialog box. I'm going to slide my box up a little bit because I can't see the bottom of it. And you'll see that I have the option to add this to my styles gallery, which I want. And again, I can keep it in this document or in all new documents. I'm just going to go with this document. I'll click OK. And notice here it is. It's italics. It's got a red double underline. And we can add this other places. For example, I can put it here on improved quality of life. I can put it, anywhere else. We provide training, and I can add it.
Great. I'm looking forward to using this tool.